So, Kem Cho. I'm Jai Kumari from Heritage City of India, Ahmedabad. Today's alphabet is alphabet E. E stands for energy. E stands for environment. E stands for efficiency. E stands for empowerment. E stands for entropy. E stands for ego. So, let's discuss this E. Being a student of physics, as per definition of physics, energy is capacity to do work. So, but today what we are going to discuss is a different aspect of energy in different context. Let's say you meet somebody and after conversation with that person in 5-10 minutes you just depart, like you are done with the conversation, and what you will feel that you are completely drained off. That person has absorbed, or the person has taken all your energy in that 5-10 minutes. Let's say scenario number 2. You meet somebody and after doing conversation with that person, after 5-10 minutes you feel so much energetic and so much recharged and refreshed, and you will feel as if that person has given you so much energy. Okay, now let's see the third scenario, wherein a person is just around, the person is nearby, he is not saying anything, not even a single word is communicated, but still you will feel so peaceful from inside in presence of that person. You are at peace. You are feeling so much energy without talking to that person. So out of this 3 scenario, if we say that either you can be energy giver or you can be energy taker, and you have to decide whether you want to be a energy taker or energy giver person. Okay, so now I will share one very interesting incident. There were 2 brothers, and the elder brother was very rich, so he gifted a very costly car to the younger brother. And there were 2 people, they were just discussing about this gift of elder brother. So one person said that if I would like to, if possible, I would like to be a younger brother to this person, so that I can get this kind of costly car as a gift. And the other person who was talking to that guy, do you know what did he say? He said that I would like to be elder brother, who is in that position to give a costly car as a gift to his younger brother. So now it is a matter of choice. What do you choose? You want to be a giver or you want to be a taker? So you can practice this in your day-to-day life. Let's say you have scheduled a meeting with somebody, one of your client or your customer, or you are having a call with that person, with another person who is your customer or your client or your friend or any of the family member. So just before you converse with the person, you just close your eyes and just think that after this, in this conversation, I want to have energy as a giver, and you will see the magic that during the call you are in that state that you are giving so much positive energy to that person. You are giving away, you are at that state at that mental state, at that physical state, at that emotional state, that you are giving your energy to the other person. So you can practice this. Now, second thing about alphabet E, that is environment. It is rightly said that you are sum total of, or you are an average of 6 individuals of your closed circle. Your personality is an average of 6 individuals around you, or 6 individuals in your closed circle. So environment matters a lot. Someday if you are feeling very low and down, then if you are with cheerful and happy people around, then you will also be happy. Your energy level will go high. Okay, so environment matters. In English it is said that a person is known by the company he keeps. So it is very important that in what kind of company you are, and it is your choice, you decide. Okay, so this is all about energy and environment. There are so many other aspects of this alphabet E, but we'll discuss it some other day. And lastly, I am on a mission to help 100,000 professionals who are in their 30s. I would like to serve and support people who are in their 30s and they want to have harmony within, so that they can have harmony with everyone around. And by implementing the model or the framework which is known as HWN, harmony with nature. So when you have harmony with nature, you can have harmony within, and when you have harmony within, you can have harmony with others. Okay, so, and gratitude to all of you for giving me your time and focus. Thank you so much. I'm really grateful. Thank you. I appreciate. Okay, and stay connected. Bye bye. God bless. Take care.